Hello. Today we will tell you how to withdraw funds from your DarWin personal account. This process is not only simple, but also completely safe. First of all, log into your DarWin personal cabinet. Go to the Finance tab. Please note that withdrawal of funds is possible only from the bonus account. Click the Withdraw Funds button. A window with several fields will open. Enter the amount to withdraw. Remember that it can't be less than $25. Select the network for the transaction from the list. Enter the address of your wallet where the funds will be transferred. Make sure that the address does not contain any errors. To confirm the withdrawal, request a code to your email or Telegram if you have two-factor authentication enabled. Pay attention to the information below about the amount of USDT that will be transferred to your account, the withdrawal fee, as well as the minimum and maximum amount of USDT available for withdrawal. Once you have filled in all the fields, click the Withdraw button. Great! Your withdrawal request is complete. Usually the funds will arrive to your account within a day. In some cases, especially during periods of high system utilization, the withdrawal time can be up to 72 hours from the moment of request creation. Thank you for using DarWin services and we wish you successful financial transactions.